Welcome to Combiego Online Math class. We are still under number-based system. Now convert the following numbers to binary. Now we have to convert 23 base 4 to binary. Now what we need to understand, whenever we are converting any number not in base 10 in other bases, now before we convert it to that particular number, we have to convert it to base 10 before we later on convert it to the other base. Now in this case, we are converting these numbers to binary. Now before we can be able to convert this number to binary, we have to convert it to base 10 before we convert it to binary. Now we are going to have 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 4. We write 0, 1, which we are going to have 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 0 is 1. And we are going to have 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3 times 1 is 3. And we are going to have 8 plus 3, which is 11 base 10. Now we can now convert it to the binary. Now 11 divided by 2, we are going to have 5 remainder 1. And 5 divided by 2, we are going to have 2 remainder 1. And 2 divided by 2, we are going to have 1 remainder 0. And 2 divided by 1, we are going to have 0 remainder 1. Now 23 base 4 is now equals to 1011 base 2. Now the second one, which is B, is 306.25 base 8. Now we have to convert it to base 10. Now which is 3 multiplied by 8 plus 0 multiplied by 8 plus 6 multiplied by 8. Then plus 2 multiplied by 8 plus 5 multiplied by 8. Now 1, 2, 3, where we have point up to where 6 is. Now we write 0, 1, 2. Now from here we have our decimal number, we write minus 1, minus 2. Now we are going to have 3 multiplied by 3 raised to 8 raised to the power of 2 is 64. 8 times 8, which is 64. Then plus any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Plus 6 raised to the power of 0 is 1. 6 times 1. Then plus 2 times 1 all over 8. Then plus 5 times 1 all over 8 power 2. This minus is standing is just representing 1 all over. The minus is representing 1 all over. Now 3 multiplied by 64. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Right? We carry 1, and 3 multiplied by 6 is 18 plus 1, 19. Then plus 0. 6 times 1 is 6. Then plus 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 all over 8. Then plus 5 times 1 is 5. Then all over 8 raised to the power of 2 is 64. Now 192 plus 6 is 198. 198. Then all over we have 64 as the LCM. 64 divided by 8 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. 64 divided by 64 is 1, and 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. Now we are going to have 198. Then 16 plus 1 is 21 all over 64. Now this number is in base 10. Now we convert it to binary. 198 divided by 2 is 99 remainder 0, and 99 divided by 2, we are going to have 49 remainder 1, and 49 divided by 2, we are going to have 24 remainder 1, and 24 divided by 2, we are going to have 12 remainder 0, and 12 divided by 2, we are going to have 6 remainder 0, and 6 divided by 2, we are going to have 3 remainder 0, and 3 divided by 2, we are going to have 1 remainder 1, and 2 divided by 1, you are going to have 0, remainder 1. Now this is the binary number of 198. Now remain 21. For 21 divided by 2, we are going to have 10 remainder 1, and 10 divided by 2, we are going to have 5 remainder 0, and 5 divided by 2, we are going to have 2 remainder 1, and 2 divided by 2, we are going to have 1 remainder 0, and 2 divided by 2, we are going to have 0 remainder 1. Now remain 64. Now 64 divided by 2, we are going to have 32 remainder 0, and 32 divided by 2, we are going to have 16 remainder 0, and 16 divided by 2, we are going to have 8 remainder 0, and 8 divided by 2, we are going to have 4 remainder 0, and 4 divided by 2, we are going to have 2 remainder 0, and 2 divided by 2, we are going to have 1 remainder 0, and 1 divided by 2, we are going to have 0 remainder 1. Now looking at this number, the binary number of 198 is 11000112. Now the binary number for 21, we have 1 0 1 0 1, which is 10101. Now all over for 64. 1, how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we have 6 zeros. Now we start counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now lastly, we write 606.25 base 8 is 9 equals to 11000110. Then here is empty, we write 0, we put point 010101 base 2. Thank you for watching.